You have reached a point in your qualitative research study where you need to analyze your data. You have also decided to use NVivo to analyze your interview transcripts. NVivo is one of the most reliable computer-assisted qualitative data analysis softwares. In this video, we are going to explore some basic functionalities of NVivo. This will help you perform your first analysis as a beginner. I will be using NVivo 14, which is the current version of the software. In this video, we are going to go through 7 steps, including 1. General introduction into NVivo and its functionalities. 2. Importing transcripts. 3. Coding. 4. Coming up with themes. 5. Visualizing in NVivo. 6. Exporting the codebook and the code list from NVivo 14. And 7. Producing the data analysis report. The first thing that we are going to do is to open NVivo 14. So we open NVivo 14. This is how NVivo 14 opens. We are going to head directly to the new project and create a new project. I'm going to name this demonstration project, and then I click on next, and then they give you this option here, which is very important, where they allow you can either choose to autosave your project or display a reminder to manually save your project every 15 minutes. I normally like this second option of manually, so that every 15 minutes there will be a pop-up that will show you to save your project. This is the only guarantee that you don't lose your project. I've had some people and some of my clients select the autosave and they've lost all their progress or their project. So make sure you select the second option, which is the reminder to save your project every 15 minutes. Now